Nokia's smartphones have been ruling customers' hearts for years. After disappearing for a few years, Nokia is now gearing up to launch yet another power-packed smartphone. This fantastic Nokia device is set to blow your mind with a 400-megapixel DSLR level camera, and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Dragon Pro 5G smartphone. And the best part, it's going to be super affordable. In today's video, we'll dive deep into this phone's full specs, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Dragon Pro 5G. Display. Nokia's flagship killer comes with a stunning 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, featuring 2K resolution. But that's not all, it also packs a 144Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for that premium feel. Camera quality. Want studio-level photography in your pocket? The Nokia Dragon Pro 5G boasts a triple camera setup on the back, headlined by a massive 400-megapixel primary sensor. And it doesn't stop there, you also get a 100-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel depth sensor for pro-level shots. For selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, that'll make sure your Instagram game stays strong. Performance. Under the hood, this beast runs on the latest and most powerful chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Whether you're into hardcore gaming or heavy multitasking, this phone will handle everything buttery smooth. And for software, it runs on Android 16 OS, ensuring you get the latest features and security updates. Battery and charging. Nokia knows you need all-day power, so they've stuffed this phone with a massive 7800mAh battery. And when it's time to recharge, 120-watt fast charging with a Type-C port gets you back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, you can expect this monster to be priced around $790, which is a steal for these specs. As for the launch date, Nokia is likely to unveil it by the end of this year.